When stress takes over, many of us think we need a vacation, a life change, or perfect solution. But sometimes what your mind really needs is a healthy escape. Here are 7 surprisingly effective hobbies that can help reduce stress, improve your mood, and give your brain a chance to reset. Number 1. Adult coloring books and art. Creative activities help shift your attention away from stress and into the present moment. You don't need artistic talent. The simple act of coloring, drawing, or creating can help calm an overwhelmed mind. Number 2. Cooking your comfort meal. Cooking engages your senses and gives you something positive to focus on. Preparing a meal you love can create a sense of comfort, accomplishment, and routine during stressful times. Number 3. Rewatching your comfort shows. There's a reason many people return to the same favorite series. Familiar stories create predictability, which can help your nervous system relax when life feels uncertain or overwhelming. Number 4. Going for a walk. Walking is one of the simplest and most effective stress relievers. Even a short walk can reduce tension, improve mood, and help clear your mind. Number 5. Listening to music. Music has a powerful effect on the brain. Whether it's calming, uplifting, or nostalgic, the right playlist can help regulate emotions and lower stress levels. Number 6. Reading for pleasure. Reading allows your mind to step away from daily pressures and enter a different world. It can improve focus, reduce stress, and provide a healthy mental break. Number 7. Spending time outdoors. Nature has a calming effect on the nervous system. Fresh air, sunlight, and green spaces can reduce stress, improve mood, and help you feel more grounded. Stress is part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. Small activities that bring comfort, joy, and calm can have a surprisingly powerful impact on your mental health. At SD Care, our licensed providers help individuals manage stress, anxiety, burnout, and emotional overwhelm through confidential telehealth care. Because sometimes self-care and professional support work best together. Try one of these hobbies today. Your mind might thank you for it. Visit sdcare.com to book an appointment. SD Care. Simple, dedicated care for your mind, body, and emotional well-being.